Hello everybody, into this video I will guide you how to create and verify Alipay account. Here's how to create it and to verify. So just follow these steps here. To create an Alipay account, these are the requirements you need to have. So a valid mobile phone number, preferably a Chinese number, but some international numbers may work in specific regions. Stable internet connection. So let's start with the first step. You just download the Alipay app. Search for Alipay on the App Store or Google Play and download the official app. Select your region and language. Choose your country, region, and preferred language during the app startup. Then just click on sign up, might be in Chinese characters. Enter your mobile phone number and agree to the terms and conditions. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter the code to proceed. Set a login password. Create a strong password for your Alipay account and the verifying an Alipay account for foreigners. So, important note, verifying an Alipay account as a foreigner can be challenging. Officially, Alipay requires a Chinese ID card for full verification. However, some methods may work depending on your region. There are two methods here: the passport verification, limited availability. In some regions, Alipay allows passport verification for foreigners. This option may appear during the initial setup or within the account and security section of the app. You'll need to fill your passport details and potentially scan the physical passport for verification. The second method is to link to a Chinese bank account. Requires, of course, a Chinese account. If you have a Chinese bank account, you can link it to your Alipay account to bypass some verification limitations. However, opening a Chinese bank account as a foreigner typically requires a visa and residence permit. Without full verification, even with limited verification, you might be able to use some basic Alipay functionalities like money transfer within China. Keep in mind that the features and limitations can vary depending on your region and verification status. So, some additional tips for you: look for resources and guides in your specific language for a more detailed walkthrough. Search terms like a create Alipay account for foreigner plus your country. You can type that in Google and see if something pops up that can help you create an Alipay account in your country. Be aware of potential scams. Only download the official Alipay app and avoid third-party vendors claiming to offer easy verification. Overall, creating an Alipay account is straightforward, but full verification for foreigners can be complex. Explore your options and limitations based on your situation, like just typing in Google, searching if you have a solution for your country. But as of right now, it's only possible to have a full verification if you're living in China and have a China passport and all the documentations needed for this verification process. So thanks for watching and see you in the next